Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WooCommerce affiliate coupon codes using plugins, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore WooCommerce affiliate coupon codes, we will use specific plugins designed for this purpose. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section from the sidebar. Click on Add New to search for necessary plugins. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Coupon Restore. Locate a plugin that suits your needs. Click on the Install Now button next to the selected plugin. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. With the plugin activated, proceed to the settings. Go to WooCommerce and find the newly added menu for the plugin. Familiarize yourself with the available options. Ensure that the plugin settings align with your requirements. Now, navigate to the Coupons section within WooCommerce. Here you will find existing coupon codes. If you need to restore deleted coupons, check the plugin's functionality. Look for a tab or option that allows coupon restoration. Select the coupons you wish to restore. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. Once completed, return to the coupons list to confirm the restoration. Test the restored coupons by creating a few test orders. Apply the coupons during the checkout process to ensure they work. If any issues arise, revisit the plugin settings for adjustments. Consider checking the support documentation for troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you should have successfully restored your WooCommerce affiliate coupon codes. Now your customers can benefit from the promotions again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.